making noises too. Do you hear him?
Yeah.
You made a noise, huh?
Go to him, nature boy.
That's a nightmare. Honestly. Mike.
Oh my God. Boy, this is crazy.
Not so much he wants food. Looks like he's almost blind.
Maybe his mother abandoned him.
Mike.
Okay, it's a 3-inch squirrel.
We just don't do so well with
You're
wildlife.
sitting on the food. There's food right there.
What'd you give him? Something that'll kill him?
No, a
I
dog's
don't think he
kibble.
can eat that. He's gonna choke. It's like,
I don't want to be your friend.
Did you take a photo or not?
Yes, I took a photo. Yes, I got it.
it's interesting. That
I can't believe you're patting him. Oh my God, this is like, I never knew you were so brave and manly before.
Whoa, it's like, whoa!
I'm done.